Hey, I just wanted to do a quick update video. I didn't get a chance to do one this weekend. I got the motor lowered down quite a bit. Car's in the trailer right now, so the lighting sucks. There's the new motor mounts I built. The headers are on. They tuck down in the frame real nice. You can see this that front pulley's tucked way down in the frame. So the motor's back about 3 inches back and about 6 inches lower. Originally, the bottom of this pulley that's way down here, the bottom of this pulley was above my index finger. It was about where this bolt is. So I took about 6 inches down. I had to build the new the new motor mounts are in, welded in, and the new cross member is in and welded into place down there. I had to put my old steering in one more time just to get it in the trailer this last time. Let's see, the steering doesn't even line up now. So nothing sits real low below the frame. That's the new cross member. There, my oil pan, and transmission cross member. Back there. So that's where we're at. Got all the brake lines are off. Everything's kind of torn apart. But the motor's in and lowered down where I want it and welded in. Looks good. The valve covers can come off now without hitting the brake booster. So we're in good shape. It's coming right along. It's looking real good, I think. Okay, well, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please share. Show your friends. Give me some views. Give me some feedback. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Okay, thank you. Bye.